अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप आज आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू से समथिंग एंड आप गेस करेंगे कि ये मैंने किस स्टोरी से लिया है। मिरर मिरर ऑन द वॉल, हु इज द फेयरेस्ट ऑफ देम ऑल। डू यू रिमेंबर ये किस स्टोरी का डायलॉग है? एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज फ्रॉम द स्टोरी ऑफ स्नो वाइट एंड द सेवन ड्वार्फ्स। बट किस तरह का मिरर था? Do you have any idea? That was a magical mirror जो बोलता भी था and he actually knew the power of the universe. But आपको तो इधर पता है कि in real life there is no magic. In real life, instead of looking at magic, we look at logic. Because we study physics and science, and in physics and science there is only logic. तो फिर आज का हमारा क्या टॉपिक है डिस्कशन का? जी बिल्कुल, today we are going to discuss about mirrors. आपने सोचा होगा कि mirrors किस तरह की चीज़ हैं? This is so amazing that we can see our own self and our reflection in a mirror. And when I was small, मैं बहुत fascinate होती थी कि mirrors बनते कैसे हैं. मुझे man-made चीज़ें नहीं लगती थी. बहुत fascinate होती थी मैं. Today we are going to find the answers to all these questions. So, what exactly is a mirror? वैसे तो हर जगह लगे होते हैं, but a mirror, to be technical, is an object that reflects the light in the same angle as it receives from the object. A smooth and highly polished reflecting surface area is a mirror. The most commonly used are plane mirrors. We use plane mirrors daily for getting ready or dressing up. जैसे आपके सामने नजर आ रहे हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप मिरर के अंदर देखते हैं तो डू यू नोटिस समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट यू और द इमेज ऑफ यू? आपने कभी नोटिस किया है दैट इन द मिरर द राइट अपेयर्स लेफ्ट एंड द लेफ्ट अपेयर्स राइट? इसकी एक और एग्जांपल आप ऐसे ले लें कि आपने कभी एम्बुलेंस को देखा होगा ड्राइव करते हुए। एम्बुलेंस की बैक साइड पे एम्बुलेंस लिखा होता है, but the word ambulance is oppositely written because when the driver of the vehicle ahead of the ambulance looks in his or her mirror, the person can read it as ambulance and then उसको रास्ता दे सकते हैं। Now what are spherical mirrors? Suppose you are sitting at the dining table और आपको खाना नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, तो आप अपने खाने के चम्मच के साथ खेलना शुरू हो जाएंगे या कांटे के साथ। You look at yourself in the spoon and notice that you look pretty funny. आप अजीबोगरीब से नजर आएंगे। The moment you get the spoon closer, you will get a magnified image. और जब आप स्पून को दूर करेंगे तो you see an inverted image. ये क्या हो रहा होता है? यही जानने के लिए हम थोड़ा स्पेशल क्लास ऑफ मिरर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे विच आर नोन एज स्फेरिकल मिरर्स। स्फेरिकल मिरर्स दो टाइप के होते हैं, कन्वेक्स मिरर एंड कनकेव मिरर। जो स्फेरिकल मिरर्स होते हैं दे आर नॉट प्लेन, दे आर कर्व्ड इन वन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, दे आर कर्व्ड इनवर्ड्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मिरर्स दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर शेविंग और डूइंग मेकअप आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर्स। अब वो किस तरह? जैसा आपको नजर आ रहा है इस फिगर में। आपको पता है कि मिरर्स कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स। नंबर 1 प्लेन मिरर्स, नंबर 2 कॉनकेव मिरर्स एंड नंबर 3 कन्वेक्स मिरर्स। बट पहले हम स्फेरिकल मिरर्स को थोड़ा और गौर से पढ़ते हैं। स्फेरिकल मिरर्स में हमारे पास आती है एक चीज, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, which is the distance between the pole and the center of curvature. Then we have center of curvature, which is the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the point in the center of the mirror which passes through the curve of the mirror and has the same tangent and curvature at that point. Aperture, which is a point from which the reflection of light actually takes place. Pole, which is the midpoint of a mirror. It is twice the focus. Focus, which is any point where light rays parallel to the principal axis will converge after deflecting from the mirror. Principal axis, which is an imaginary line passing through the optical center and the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. And then we have the focal length, which is on the axis of a mirror where rays of light are parallel to the axis coverage after deflection or refraction. Now let's talk about concave mirrors. वो देखने में कैसे लगते हैं? A concave mirror is also known as a converging mirror, since in these types of mirrors, light rays converge at a point after they strike and are reflected back from the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. Let's talk about how an image is formed in a concave mirror. In the majority of the cases, a concave mirror produces real and inverted images except when the object is placed very near to the mirror, that is pole, and the focus, F, where the image produced is virtual and erect. आपको पता है कि डेली लाइफ में भी हमारे पास बहुत सारे concave mirrors हैं. Concave mirrors are very important and the most common use is in flashlights and headlights. The usage of a concave mirror is very common in many household devices and equipments like shaving mirrors, flashlights, headlights, etc., and even in bigger devices such as aircraft and telescope. Now, let's talk about convex mirrors. When parallel rays of light strike the mirror, they are reflected in a way wherein they spread out or diverge. For this reason, a convex mirror is also a diverging mirror too. If these reflected rays are extended behind the mirror by dotted lines, they meet at a point. And this point is the focus of the convex mirror. The concave mirror is used in the vehicle so that the driver is aware of the vehicle coming from behind. And they are also used in street light reflectors. जो concave mirror होता है वो बाहर की तरफ curve हुआ होता है. And since it's curved outwards, it looks like one is looking at the bump of a car. A convex mirror is also known as a diverging mirror, since here light rays diverge after it strikes the reflecting surface of the convex mirror. अब बात करते हैं कि convex mirrors में image कैसे बनता है. Convex mirrors always form virtual, erect, and diminished regardless of the distance between the object and the mirror. And the few examples of convex mirrors can also be seen in our daily life, such as the review mirror in a car, street light reflectors, and so many more. Let's talk about some of the differences between convex and concave mirrors. Concave mirror diverges the beam of light incident on it, hence it is called a diverging mirror. While convex mirror converges the beam of light incident on it, hence it is called converging mirror. इनका शेप भी डिफरेंट है क्योंकि कॉन्केव मिरर अंदर की तरफ कर्व होते हैं इनवर्ड्स और कन्वेक्स मिरर बाहर की तरफ कर्व होते हैं मतलब आउटवर्ड्स. इनका फोकल पॉइंट भी डिफरेंट है. फोकल पॉइंट होता है द पॉइंट वेयर एनी बीम ऑफ रे इंटरसेक्ट्स आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन और टेंड्स टू इंटरसेक्ट. It is located on the principal axis. The focal point of concave mirror is in front of the mirror and the focal point of convex mirror is behind the mirror. इन दोनों मिरर्स में इमेज भी डिफरेंट फॉर्म होता है. कन्वेक्स मिरर का इमेज हमेशा वर्चुअल, अपराइट और छोटा होता है ऑब्जेक्ट से. बट कनकेव मिरर में डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इमेजेस आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन डिफरेंट लोकेशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. द मिरर इमेज इज अपसाइड डाउन and far away, but if we bring the object close to the mirror, then image will be large and upright. इनके uses भी बहुत different होते हैं. Convex mirrors are used in cars, like side mirrors, and they are also used in camera phones. Convex mirrors are found in hospitals, schools, etc. as hallway safety mirror. But जो concave mirrors होते हैं, they are used in telescopes. They are used as makeup and shaving mirrors because they provide large images. And they are also used by dentists and also used in headlights of cars, solar devices, satellite dishes, etc. अब हम इस एपिसोड के की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1, the spherical mirrors are not plain. They are curved in one particular direction. Number 2, they are curved inwards. A concave mirror is also known as the converging mirror, as in these types of mirrors, light rays converge at a point after they strike and are getting reflecting back from the reflecting surface of the mirror. Number 3. The convex mirror has a reflective surface that curves outward. These mirrors are always formed virtual, erect, and diminished regardless of the distance between the object and the mirror. Number 4. Some of the terms related to spherical mirrors are focal point, pole, principal axis, aperture, principal focus, and focus. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Spherical mirrors are a part of A. Rectangle, B. Cube, C. Sphere, D. Biryani. The correct answer is C. Sphere. Number 2. A mirror with a surface that curves inward like the inside of a bowl is A. Concave mirror, B. Convex mirror, C. Plane mirror, D. Flat mirror. The correct answer is A. Concave mirror. Number 3. The following is used in the review mirrors of vehicles. A. Plane mirror, B. Convex mirror, C. Convex lens, D. Any of these. The correct answer is B. Convex mirror. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. An image formed by dash mirror is always of the same size as that of the object. A. Concave, B. Convex, C. Plane, D. Small. The correct answer is A. Concave. Number 5. Among the following, which is an example of a concave mirror? A. Side view mirror, B. Common mirror of houses, C. Headlights, D. Optical instruments. The correct answer is B. Common mirror of houses. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.